Bun ducks belong to the family Anatidae and are found all over the world in various habitats. Two ducks are known for their broad, flat bills, which are perfectly adapted for dabbling in water. A male duck is called a drake, a female is called a hen, and a baby duck is called a duckling. Four ducks can live in both freshwater and saltwater habitats, including lakes, rivers, ponds, and marshes. Five ducks are omnivores, eating a diet that includes plants, insects, small fish, and crustaceans. The mallard duck is the most common duck species, found across Europe, Asia, and North America. Seven ducks can dive underwater to catch food or stay on the surface to dabble. Eight ducks have a special gland near their tail called the uropygial gland that produces oil, which they use to waterproof their feathers. Nine ducks' waterproof feathers help them float on water. 10 baby ducks, or ducklings, are born with soft down feathers and are able to swim within hours of hatching. 11 ducks have webbed feet, which make them strong swimmers. 12. Unlike chickens, ducks can see in colour and have excellent vision. 13 ducks can sleep with one eye open, allowing half of their brain to stay alert for predators. 14 female ducks have a special call that helps their ducklings recognize and follow them. 15 ducks communicate through a variety of sounds, including quacks, whistles, and coos. 16. Not all ducks quack. Some species make other sounds like whistles or grunts. 17. A duck's quack doesn't echo, although this claim has been largely debunked. It's just quieter in most environments. 18 ducks have a wide range of calls to communicate, including alarm calls to warn the flock of danger. 19 ducks are migratory birds, with many species flying thousands of miles between their breeding and wintering grounds. 20 ducks migrate in V-shaped formations, which helps them conserve energy during long flights. 21 ducks have strong navigation skills and can return to the same breeding and nesting spots each year. 22. The fastest recorded duck was a red-breasted merganser, flying at 100 miles per hour, 161 kilometers per hour, while being chased by an airplane. 23. Some species of ducks can fly as high as 20,000 feet during migration. 24 ducks molt their feathers once a year, making them temporarily flightless until new feathers grow in. 25 ducks have highly developed waterproofing feathers that help them stay dry and warm in water. 26. The duck-billed platypus, although not a bird, shares a similar bill shape with ducks. 27. Some species of ducks, like the eider, pluck their own down feathers to line their nests. 28 duck eggs are slightly larger than chicken eggs, and are often used in baking because they are richer. 29 ducks have a corkscrew-shaped penis, which is unique among birds. 30 female ducks have a correspondingly complex reproductive system that allows them to choose the father of their offspring. 31. The mating habits of ducks can be complex and sometimes violent, with drakes competing for mates. 32 ducks can form monogamous pairs during the breeding season, though they rarely mate for life. 33. Some species of ducks are known for their beautiful plumage, with vibrant colours and iridescent feathers. 34 male ducks often lose their bright plumage after the mating season to help them blend in and avoid predators. 35. In many species, only the female duck incubates the eggs and cares for the ducklings. 36 duck eggs take about 28 days to hatch, depending on the species. 37. Some duck species, like the wood duck, nest in tree cavities, high above the ground. 38 after hatching. Ducklings will often jump from their nests and follow their mother to water, even from great heights. 39 ducks are known for their strong family bonds. Ducklings imprint on their mother and follow her closely. 40 imprinting is a process where ducklings recognize the first moving object they see as their parent. 41. Ducks are social animals and often live in flocks, especially during migration or while foraging. 42 ducks are generally friendly and curious animals and can become quite tame around humans. 43 ducks can adapt to a wide range of environments, from Arctic tundras to tropical wetlands. 44. In colder climates, ducks will form tightly packed groups on the water to conserve heat. 45 ducks can live up to 10 years in the wild, but domesticated ducks can live even longer, up to 15 to 20 years. 46. The oldest known duck, a mallard, lived to be over 27 years old. 47 ducks are important to ecosystems as they help control insect populations and disperse seeds. 48 ducks play a key role in wetland conservation, as their droppings fertilize water plants and algae. 49. Some species of ducks are considered endangered due to habitat loss and hunting. 50 conservation efforts for ducks include protecting wetlands, reducing pollution, and regulating hunting. 51. The wood duck is one of the most colourful species, with iridescent green, purple, and bronze feathers. 52 ducks have a highly developed sense of smell, which helps them locate food even in murky water. 53. The mandarin duck is another striking species, known for its vibrant orange, purple, and blue plumage. 54 ducks have 3 eyelids, with the third eyelid, nictitating membrane, helping protect their eyes underwater. 55 domestic ducks are descendants of wild ducks like the mallard and Muscovy ducks. 56 domestic ducks are bred for their meat, eggs, and feathers. 57. In some cultures, duck eggs are considered a delicacy, especially when partially developed into balut. 58. Peking ducks, a domestic breed, are famous for their use in the dish Peking duck. 59. Duck farming is a significant industry in many countries, particularly in Southeast Asia. 60 ducks are featured in many myths and stories worldwide, symbolizing resourcefulness and adaptability. 61 ducks are often depicted as playful and mischievous characters in popular culture, such as Disney's Donald Duck. 62 ducks have been used as inspiration in art, literature, and even scientific research. 63. Some species, like the runner duck, are bred for their upright posture and distinctive gait. 64 ducks can remember places where they found food, and they often return to the same foraging spots. 65 ducks communicate by using head bobbing, body movements, and specific sounds to signal their intentions. 66. Some ducks can change the colour of their bill during the breeding season, usually to a brighter shade to attract mates. 67 ducks have excellent memories and can recognise familiar people and animals. 68 ducks are known to perform dabbling, a feeding behaviour where they tip forward in the water to reach plants and small creatures below the surface. 69 dabbling ducks don't dive underwater like the diving ducks, which submerge their whole bodies. 70. The diet of a duck can affect the colour of its feathers, with brighter colours often indicating a healthier diet. 71 ducks can survive in both extremely cold and hot environments, making them very versatile animals. 72. The flight pattern of ducks is influenced by wind patterns and weather conditions. 73 ducklings are precocial, meaning they are born relatively mature and can move around and swim almost immediately after hatching. 74. Some ducks, like the northern shoveler, have specially adapted bills that filter small invertebrates from water. 75 ducks can vocalize to their eggs before they hatch, and the ducklings will peep back from inside the egg. 76 ducks' webbed feet make them excellent swimmers, but awkward walkers on land. 77 ducks can see almost 360 degrees around them, helping them detect predators from all directions. 78. The Indian runner duck is a breed known for its upright posture and fast walking speed. 79 ducks can live in urban environments and often thrive in city parks and ponds. 80 domestic ducks can be used for pest control, as they eat insects like slugs and snails in gardens. 81. In some cultures, ducks are kept as pets, and they can be quite affectionate and playful. 82. Ducks' feathers are used in various products, including jackets, pillows, and sleeping bags. 83. Some ducks have been trained to herd sheep, particularly in agricultural settings. 84. Duck herding with border collies is a popular exhibition sport at agricultural shows. 85. The pintail duck is known for its long pointed tail feathers, which give it an elegant appearance. 86 ducks can regulate their body temperature by changing the position of their feathers. 87 ducks have been known to engage in playful behavior, including chasing one another or objects. 88. The quacking sound is more common in female ducks. Males tend to be quieter. 89 ducks' feet have no nerves or blood vessels, so they can walk on ice without getting cold. 90. The whistling duck gets its name from the high-pitched whistling sound it makes. 91 ducks' legs are set farther back on their bodies, which helps them swim but gives them a waddling gait on land. 92 ducks are monogamous for the breeding season, but they often change partners each year. 93 ducklings rely on their mothers for warmth and guidance for several weeks after hatching. 94. This harlequin duck is known for its striking black, white, and chestnut plumage. 95 ducks are preyed upon by a variety of animals, including foxes, raccoons, hawks, and large fish. 96 ducks use their beaks to preen, ensuring that their feathers remain in good condition. 97 ducks have hollow bones, which make them lighter and more buoyant in water. 98 ducks can become attached to humans and enjoy interacting with people, especially when hand-raised. 99. In many countries, hunting ducks is a regulated sport to ensure sustainable populations. 100 ducks have inspired many idioms and phrases, such as "like water off a duck's back," symbolizing resilience and adaptability.